Yo, what's good with y'all? I'm over here. I hope that works. What's good? What's good? What's good? I am about what 6:21 a.m. I'm here on the charts, kind of pretty early, if I'm being honest. But I just had my shit onboarded. I had my alarm set for like what 3 a.m. and I was just lying in bed, low key, unable to sleep on some shit. So I kind of just came back to just see maybe if pre-market we might be able to move in a way. But I mean, I'm not too sure. I was literally looking at this 5 minute order block right here. I wanted to see this hold. If we did hold it, I wanted to see like a move out of it, right? But I want to have my stops above this like SMC that we created. But I want to see price move back lower into this new week opening gap or this internal low right here, like something like that. That's what I'm looking for. I don't want to pre-fire it just to get into a trade because I feel like that's dumb. But yeah, as long as this high holds, I want to see that high be protected. So
Order filled.
stop
Order working.
here like that. I don't know why it's trying to tell me ads when I don't really have anything on there, but it's cool. It's cool. Buy limit.
Order working.
I'm gonna make it 2. Shit is a little bit lower, but it's all good. So there. This is the execution right now. I want to see this to call it hold because if we just manipulated here, creating an SMT, I want to see these two candles respect as an order block, and I want to see price probably push down lower. This right here could be my break even, so I might be able to take off a contract or so right there. I just want to see what we do. And right here, same thing on ES. I'm gonna be watching both. Same about the same area. Yeah, let's just see what happens. I'm gonna have my stop low key in this for valley gap, just in case we tap it and try to go back up higher. Cause this is the for valley gap that held before, so I'm gonna target this body right here, like that. Now let's just see what happens. Let's just play out. Low key, maybe we might get a push log lower at 6:30, but right now, I'm low key not too sure. Not too sure, to be honest. Just want to kind of see price continue lower. What do you think? This is the first gap made. I want to see price respect this gap. It's the most premium gap, the highest gap. So I want to see price respect that. Let's just see what we do though. It was maybe just a retrace, you know? Oh my god, I'm not getting harassed, bro. Gotcha. We didn't even go to the internal area, so that was pretty ugly. Just tagged the order block, I guess. So now I want to see a little bit more fall through. Let's see though. I'm low key gonna probably add if I can.
Order filled. Order cancelled. Order working.
Stop's gonna be about 12 points right there. I want to see this hold though. Let's see what we do. I looked for a re-entry because we came back into this order block, but I want to see that order block hold though. Like I want to see price at least come down here, and I'll probably take off some partials right here. But I mean, you know, it just looks pretty good though. I just didn't like. I don't know. I'm still pretty confident that this will play out as long as we hold above this other high right here. It's like we got this gap right here. We're still holding it, so I want to see that hold. Some shit. Let's see what we do though. Don't call that where my beer. Right here. I want to see this 5 minutes just so I can, you know, I want to see this 5 minutes just continue lower. Because if we don't, then it's like, hey, bro, you know. Yeah. But now this don't play out. Let's see what goes on. Let the probabilities play out. I want to see price come above around here. Depending if we displace past this internal low. Okay, we did now. Or we haven't. I want to see displacement past that. Then I'll be looking to go break even. Yes, Loki did. ES took that other low. But I'm low-key gonna hold that jump because I feel like we're both gonna dump. Personally, I feel like there's still room for go lower. I don't want to see a bullish SMC hold in a continuation lower. You know, like if we're continuing lower, I don't want to see bullish order flow hold. Like I want to see this bullish order flow fail. And if not, I'll just take out something else. It's not. ES and NQ both took that low, so you know, let's see what we do. We're barcoding though, bro. I'm trailing it here because we did take out that low. It's gonna preserve some capital, potentially, you know. I don't know. Nah, I'm trolling. Dang. Damn. Indecision candle right there. Let's see what we do. We don't know what direction we want to go in. We're deciding one right now. We're deciding what direction we're trying to go in right now. And we're in the premium of range, so I want to see price sell off. If we're indecision, at least try to go lower, rebalance it, think about it, you know what I'm saying? Then we can decide later. Fuck. I should have took one right there. I think I might do that. Bro, I should have just done that. Took one off right here. She's a good girl. Tell her let go. Shit not even moving though. All right. I wanted to make sure I was risking about 500 on this trade, because now I'm straight. Let's see. Oh yeah, peace. Bro, we tapped into this. What's it called? What's it called? This is like institutional order flow right now. We tapped this gap 5 times, and we're not going any higher. So I want to see price just literally run through this gap, because we tapped the gap like how many times, bro, before even trying to move anywhere. It's just not going any higher. You know, I would add, but I'm not moving like that though. You know, but I do want to see this gap literally get ran through right now. And then we go and do the complete opposite. This is manipulation here, if we care. Yeah. Rough start. Oh yeah, it's cooked.
Order rejected. Order rejected.
It's decided all, not gonna lie. Came back into the wick. We respected it like that. But I don't know. This trade is kind of nah. Psychology wise, I don't even know. I don't even know. I don't even know. Hopefully we rip now because we already came back to the wick and everything. So I don't really see a reason for us to go higher before taking out, you know, these targets first. Ugh. I want to see price T on the bottom half of this, like right here. I want to say this high is protected now. If not, then, you know, my trade ID was wrong. Either one. This is that barcode shit. Being honest. We just created double SMT now, though. Manipulation, both sides. So bang, bang. So we should at least see this internal right here. Should at least see that. At least see that. Like a double entendre on some shit.
Order rejected.
Banana clip on rockin' bait. I'm still in shape. She say, I don't got no body, baby. Cause that don't got no waist. Not pop off, but he won't pop off. Keep it like Tarkov. Let's see what we do here. Just need to build a big buffer for today. There's no consistency rule. I just need to have a big buffer so that whenever I take other trades, I don't really have to worry about drawdown. That would be nice to build the buffer and then just trade. Just trading. Whatever the case may be, just doing that. I want to see price rip lower. I don't want to see try to respect this gap, you know. If we do though, ES is not respecting that. Or ES is respecting this bearish gap. So, you know, I want to see NQ do the same. Nigga, just take profit, face ass. Nigga, just take profit. You dead right, bro. Nigga, just take profit. True, I still have 9 a.m. I might just take a 4 in the ball, bro. Let's see what this candle does. This is... Yeah, bro. We'd even tag it at all, though. So it's like... I'm just jamming out because I ain't gonna lie, this shit playing in my face. I might speed this shit up. She on my sack, bro. Bro, there's no reason or no way. This doesn't look bullish at all, right? Like, this is barcoding and shit. But still, I want to see the shit break out of the range at least lower. You feel me? Like, this is the range. I want to see price fall back into it. Because we literally extended from, you know, we have these, what, Asian session hot lows? Or London lows, London lows. London lows literally all the way at the bottom, right? I want to see price at least fall back into the middle of this range, you know? The middle of the range is about the new week opening gap, and I'm literally targeting above it right there. So, I mean, there's no reason for price to just, you know, forget about me. Awesome shit, though. Awesome shit. Yeah. Bang, 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 boom. How much am I content with? Like, how much can I make in a day? And I'd be like, okay, that's fine. I don't know. I don't know. Looks pretty good. If you were fucking stupid, I guess. I'll target that internal because I mean, target there. What's the difference? Oh, I'm out. Oh my god, what the yo, I'm not even out, nigga. No, good thing I didn't get out, I guess, bro. Let's just keep it pedo. That's insane. That's insane. I almost got out though. After that bull ass shit. Yeah, bro.
Order cancelled.
I'm out, bro. We're still pushing lower though, but that's still 1K on the day. On the actual, on the live. Cool, cool, cool. Cool. Bro, like, this is some bullshit. Bull-X. I don't give a fuck, though. I don't care. I'm out at 754. 754. Yeah, bro. She regretted. Minute vexes a minute, bro. Ain't it crazy? That's the trade, though. This is the trade, though. This ski, what it be? That's the trade, though. Execution and everything. I don't go fuck where we go now, but after that 7 a.m. open, yeah, bro, there's no way I'm holding through that. But yeah, that's the trade execution for today. I'm up about 1K on my funded account. Let's see what we do. I might look at some during AM session to see what we see, but for right now, I'm content with that. I documented everything, so if I end up taking another trade, I will make sure to come here and document it, because I could have sat on my bed, just took a trade on TradingView, but I didn't want to do that. I wanted to make sure I documented everything that I'm doing. So whether I make a mistake or whether I make something, do something good, or guess, I want it to all be documented, but that's why I got on the computer for it. But yeah. Yeah, bro. That's the trade. Yeah, bro. That's the trade for, yeah, right there. So I'm gonna let y'all know if anything happens during later on, but thanks for watching. Where we at? Oh, I got you. All right, peace, y'all.